So guys, my son came back from school and asked me, "Mommy, did you see that creamy puff puff that went viral on Twitter?" I said, "Yes, I did." "Mommy, can you make it for us?" I said, "Why not? Why am I here? I'm going to make it for you guys." So I'm here now to make the creamy puff puff that went viral on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So on the table I have what I'm making my creamy puff puff with. I have 3 cups of flour here. This is my vanilla, sugar, milk, baking powder, of course our instant yeast, then some Oreo biscuit, salt and pepper because I want that pepperish sensation in my puff puff. Then we have our warm water here, not hot water, warm water you can dip your hand into it and it will not burn you. So guys, I'll add all our dry ingredients here before we start mixing. So this is the flour, it's already sifted. Then this is my baking powder, half teaspoon of baking powder. Sugar, I'm not going to be adding too much sugar because I'm going to use condensed milk. I know that condensed milk is very, very sweet, so I'm not going to be adding too much sugar here. So I'll just add 2 tablespoons of sugar. When this is 2nd tablespoon, I'm not adding more because I'm not a sweet tooth. So for the powdered milk, I'm going to add just 1 because we are still going to add milk to our creamy puff puff. Then I'll just take a pinch of salt, then some dried Cameroon pepper. Then I'll just add the yeast now. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of yeast. Make sure you use the instant yeast so that you get a good result. So this is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then now I'll combine everything together. Then I'll add vanilla for flavor. You can add nutmeg if you want to, or any flavor that you like. So just combine everything very, very well. Then I'll get our warm water and add. So it's about 700 ml of water. So I'll know the quantity of water until I get the consistency that I want. So just add your water gradually so it doesn't run, because you don't need a running batter. So this is what we have now. I will just wash my hand now, then I'll use my hand to mix so that I'll get a good batter. So my hands are in the bowl. You have to mix very well so it can take out all the lumps. You see, it's not too runny and it's not too thick. I always love the aroma of puff puff. In my house, they can eat 1 big bowl of puff puff in a jiffy. Yeah, there's no seed. It's smooth enough. So I'll just cover this batter now and let it rest for like 40 minutes. But before I do that, I'll break in our Oreo biscuit so it can soak it in. So now mix everything together again. So I'll wash my hand, then I'll get my cling film and cover the bowl and then place a towel on it so it can double its size. You just keep it in a warm place in your kitchen and to double in size. So guys, you can see I've covered it with my cling film and I'll place my kitchen towel on it and keep this for 40 minutes to double in size before we fry our creamy puff puff. So see you guys in a bit. So guys, after 40 minutes I'm back. And this is our puff puff. It has doubled in size. See what we are seeing here now. So I'll just turn it to take it to the normal size. Then we are good to go and fry. Now time to put our puff puff in the hot oil. Like I always say, you scoop in according to your own method. Every person with their own method, and you know the size you want to cut. So guys, you can see our puff puff frying, but it's like I overfilled my pan, which is not supposed to be, so it will have some space to be frying very well. You know they are okay when it's golden brown, so it will just keep frying and frying and frying and frying. Guys, you can see our puff puff is almost ready. It's golden brown. So get your paper napkin ready so you can put them there to take out the excess oil. So guys, I'm taking them out now so I can fry the second batch. So guys, our puff puff is ready. So let's do the magic, the puff puff that went viral. So this is our Oreo biscuit. We are going to break them like this, anyhow you want to break. Then add your powdered milk. This is really sweet tooth, I tell you. If you are watching your weight, don't just come close to this now at all. Then you add your condensed milk. Oh, you can see how creamy the condensed milk is. Go anywhere you want to, but just allow your condensed milk to be on this cream. Wow. Wow. The kids will really love this. I think that's just too okay now because I don't want something else to happen. So guys, I know I've made my son happy today when he takes his creamy puff puff. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.